Ahaan Pandey is an aspiring Bollywood actor who recently made his debut with the film Sayyara on July 18, 2025. He is the son of businessman Chicky Pandey and wellness expert Dean Pandey, and the nephew of actor Chunky Pandey, making him a cousin of actress Ananya Pandey. While Ahaan comes from a family with connections in the film industry, he has also faced his own struggles on his path to becoming an actor. Assistant director and modeling before his acting debut, Ahaan worked as an assistant director on films like Freaky Ali, Rock On 2, and The Railwaymen. He also pursued modeling, walking the ramp for designers, and working for online brands. Decade-long struggle. According to his Sayyara co-star Alam Khan, Ahaan struggled for 10 years to make his debut. Khan mentioned that Ahaan lived life just like we did, even traveling by rickshaw instead of a car, implying a period of significant effort and lack of privilege, despite his family background. Ahaan shared that he lived in a corridor for 7 years of his life, a room built in a passageway of their joint family home. He jokingly remarked that everyone would see him in his towel daily. He was great on camera and impressed with his commitment to difficult scenes. This suggests a dedication to honing his craft despite any personal habits. Career choices. Ahaan reportedly turned down offers for supporting roles, including one in The Archies, because he was determined to debut in a lead role. He waited for the right script and opportunity from Yash Raj Films, demonstrating his ambition and selective approach to his career. These details paint a picture of Ahaan Pandey as someone who, despite his family background, has actively worked towards his acting career through various experiences and shown dedication to his craft. Ahaan Pandey's debut in Sayyara has been met with a largely positive response from both critics and the audience. Many are calling it a knockout performance and believe he has a bright future in the industry. Natural presence and quiet restraint. Critics have noted his quiet restraint and natural presence, suggesting an ease in front of the camera that belies his newcomer status.